Welcome back, everyone. We're going to talk about a little tip that you might not know about that will help you as you launch your channel. Okay. Now, we've talked about a lot of different things so far, picking your niche, figuring out what you're going to do. We talked about editing software, talked about a couple different things. And yesterday we talked about the analytics in the Creator Studio. Very important things. Today, I'm going to tell you something you need to know before you launch your channel. Okay. First thing is, YouTube's algorithm wants to find out what you're about. Now, if you start your channel today, let's say you make up your email and you start YouTube today and you have 3 videos to upload right then, boom, it's not going to go as well as you want because they don't know what you are. They don't know if you're a bot. They don't know anything about you. The algorithm doesn't when I say they. Okay, so what it needs to do is before you start uploading videos, it wants to know what you're all about. What are you looking for? What are you interested in? So when you finally do upload your channel and you start uploading videos, it knows what genre you're in, sort of. At least it has an idea, okay? This is what I want you to do before you upload your first video. Start communicating on other channels that are in the same genre. So if you're doing, board games, right? There's other board games out there. Go to those board game channels and leave comments. Don't tell them to come to your channel. First of all, that's rude. Don't do that in someone else's comment section, okay? Just put your name out there. So let's say it's board games and your name of your channel is, Chess King 25 or something, right? People will see that, and enough people, if it's on a really, really popular channel, will click on your profile to see what you're all about. Now they've clicked on you. You've got things in your account that says you're into board games, you're into chess, things like that. The algorithm is picking up all these little details, right? So for at least 4 or 5 days, I would be going to other channels, as many as you can in the genre you are in or about to be launching your channel in. Go to those people, just leave comments. Great video, anything you can. I really enjoyed that. I bought that board game when I was 14, and I play it still to this day. Just anything you want, just leave comments. And the algorithm's going to know who you are and what you're all about before you ever upload a video. And that gives you that little bit of an edge. When you're trying to get going, you're trying to take every advantage you can. Almost like, a sprinter. If you're a sprinter, Olympic level sprinter, you're going to do every single thing you can do to cut down on your speed, right? So you're going to have the right shoes that work best for you with the right size spikes that you feel comfortable with. All that stuff. Some of those people even wear those bodysuits that cut down on the wind resistance to make them just that hair faster. That's what you got to do. And this is one of those tips and tricks. It's not going to make or break your channel, but it's going to give you just a little leg up that will help you, okay? Now, one other one. When you do upload those videos, there's a file name. So let's say you edit the video and it downloads as just some random thing in numbers .mp4. That's what it's going to look like when it downloads. Change the name of the file you are uploading to something that is a keyword or a word that is associated with whatever genre you're in. Again, board games, right? Make it Monopoly and Chess 2, Monopoly and Chess 3, anything that has to do with that video that is in your genre. Make sure you name that file because all these little things are gonna, help the algorithm know who you are. And if you've got a file name of a video that says Monopoly Chess 25, it's gonna go, okay, this video is about Monopoly and chess. Just a little information for the algorithm. Is it gonna make or break? No, like I said before, these are just little things that help you, okay? So make sure you say that. One other one that I heard from, I don't know if he's a YouTube insider or whatever, but whatever your subject is about, the algorithm doesn't just pick up on the text that you write down. They're looking at your thumbnail and they're looking at the first words you say. The first 2 lines of your video should be about what you're talking about. Let's say I'm making a video about the homeless in Portland. And I'm going to go down to Portland. I'm going to film around there. The first thing I would say in that intro is, today we are taking a look at the homeless situation in Portland, Oregon. boom, the algorithm knows what it's about. Portland, Oregon, homeless, it's ready to go. It is ready to show me to people that live in the Portland area or people that have looked up homeless videos in the last couple of years, right? That helps. Anything you can. Now, I'm going to have another set of tips for you tomorrow. These are the first ones. I just want to make a quick video before I eat dinner, let you guys know. Everybody have a great day. Be nice to each other.